The Avian-X lesser Canada geese, perfect combination of resters, sleepers, and feeders. These decoys can not only be used for lesser hunting, but they are also perfect when blended in to your other Avian-X honker decoys to create the illusion of many different styles, shapes, and colors and sizes of a true lifelike flock of Canada geese feeding. The Avian-X lessers come in AXP painted and AXF flock decoys. Both 6-pack and 12-pack outfitter pack comes with rugged field stakes and durable one-piece construction make these decoys sure to last for years to come. Plus, these decoys include the Avian-X decoy bag to protect your investment to and from the field and storage all season long and even after the season.
At Flambeau, we've built a waterfowling legacy through decades of dedication to realism that gets results. When it comes to duping the wary eye of the duck, no other decoy can match the realism of Flambeau decoys with exclusive U-Vision paint technology. It's a well-known fact that waterfowl see ultraviolet light. It's the first light to arrive at dawn, the last to leave at dusk. It's the times of day we take to the blind and the birds take to the skies. Unlike the human eye, waterfowl have an additional cone in their eye that enhances their vision to highlight ultraviolet fluorescence. Real waterfowl plumage reflects a UV signature unique to each species. Our exclusive U-Vision paint schemes replicate the natural UV signature of live ducks. During the migration, it's what the birds come to trust. From overhead, the birds don't doubt that there's anything below but the real thing. Without U-Vision, the lack of an ultraviolet signature on a decoy can trigger a threat response, turning cupped wings into flaring tails. The effectiveness is unmatched in the field.
You know, ducks see things in a different light. They see the U-Vision day after day or hunt after hunt. I used to think myself that I was a better caller than those guys, but I guess I have to admit it was probably more the U-Vision technology and the Flambeau decoys that made the difference.
No other decoy spread paints a picture of safety that says, "Come on down, the water's fine." Let science seal the deal. Flambeau decoys with U-Vision paint technology. Realism that gets results. For the lights out hunt.
Avian-X honkers come in both AXP, which stands for Avian-X Painted, and AXF, which stands for Avian-X Flock Decoys. The AXP painted decoys are true custom-style, full-body honker decoys designed to rival any production decoy ever created, featuring oversized square rectangle motion bases and factory-attached flocked heads. These decoys are perfect for the throw-and-go style hunting designed by fowlers who have grown weary of bagging and unbagging individual blocks. The AXF flock decoys have proven themselves coast to coast to be the most effective decoys for fooling Canadas under any light condition. Flocking fibers eliminate frosty morning shine and the bird flaring unnatural glare of wet decoys or smooth plastic painted decoys. If you want to put more honkers on the ground, check out the Avian-X honker decoys, both in AXP and AXF.